I can't say that I've met a single person that became successful that didn't have to work hard for a period of their lives. I don't know anybody. I don't know anybody that didn't work hard. Like, I honestly, I don't know one person that became successful not working hard. I don't know a single person that became successful not working hard.
Congratulations. You are looking at the first person you've ever seen who doesn't work hard to make money. Yes, when I was younger, I worked hard. And why did I work hard? Because I didn't know any better. But today, I do not work hard. I do not work at all. And yet I've become a millionaire through no hard work. And God willing, if I live long enough, I will become a multi-millionaire through not working hard. And if I live long enough, I will become a billionaire without working hard. So, congratulations, you have met your first person who doesn't work hard to achieve.